Hello guys, welcome back to this beautiful garden. It's a flower garden and you can see so many pretty flowers with butterfly. This is very pretty too. I don't see this often, but pretty. I'm not sure about this one, but looks pretty. And guys, this is the one that I'm gonna show you. It's a tricky, sensitive plant. Like as soon as you touch, it's gonna close. Like you see, it was. Let me show you a different one. Okay, for example, I'm gonna show you this one. It's not closed yet, but as soon as I touch, it's gonna close. You see? Oops, it's closing all the way in one touch. They just need one touch and all set. Here is another beautiful flower, and this is pretty too. This is a small garden but very pretty. Here is a bamboo. If you guys love bamboo, you should come and check it out. There's lots of bamboos that goes all the way down. It's really tall. Here's another beautiful flower. Like you can see. Ooh, so pretty. There is another flower. It looks like red and white and really beautiful. It's really hot, guys. I've been walking for like I think 3 or 4 hours in this hot weather, and I am running out of my energy. Right here, another flower. Okay, I'm gonna show you more. Let me walk. And here is a giant tree. You can see the roots are really big. I don't know the name of this tree, but it looks unique. I didn't see this often, so I'm gonna go closer and show you. It's like it's a flower falling down. Picture. Okay, really beautiful, like you can see over here. I never seen this tree before, so it's kind of unique. I'll show you more. I know I already went this way and I think this way. I'm not sure about this way. I'm gonna see where it's gonna take me. I like to try different things and also a different way. I'm gonna check it out. Seems like this is in zone. Just not sure, so I just came here. It's super hot, guys. Very, very hot. Let's see where this way will take me. Here you can see statue, things like that. I'm just filming everything. I'm quite not sure where it will take me, but I'm just trying this way. Okay, that's the in part. I can't go. I have to go down. Okay, at least I know I can go that way now. if you guys are nearby, and I mean, I'm pretty sure you will recognize the place, even me, without me telling you guys. So if you come every Monday, there is a charge, but if you only do like a first floor, ground floor, so it's free on Monday. But if you come on other days, or even on Monday, if you want to do like more activities inside, like a whole tour, then they will charge you. There is like I think one is $40 and one is $30. So, but once you pay that, you will see like a whole thing inside. But I like more outside. I already been inside a few times. It's because they won't let you take camera inside, and for me it's like outside perfect. I don't even enjoy arts. I mean, I do, but I'm not crazy. So this is a giant tree over here, and people are coming from there. Okay, if you ever come here, please don't forget to sign. This is just the flower garden. I already went before, so I'm done with that. It's super hot, I'm telling you. think this is the only like place where they give it free at least once a week, and that's awesome. That's very nice. Not many people have this opportunity. Go and see, so you guys can come too. I think I'm ready to go home. Alright guys, thank you for watching and hope you like my video. And don't forget to subscribe, and you guys have a wonderful day.